people, it is beautiful day, December 2022 with me, Putri Ardhiani Ashari, live from Central Studio, Jakarta, serve you new updates. Mount Semeru located in Lumajang and Malang district is Java, with hot clouds reaching 7 kilometers on Sunday since 2:46 am local time. Based on the field monitoring with the Volcanology and Geological Hazard Mitigation, or PVMBG, the volcanic ash was observed flying upwards and heading south. In anticipation of the volcanic ash impact, the Lumajang PBDB team distributed free masks to communities there. According to the PVMBG, Mount Semeru ejected a gray volcanic ash column with the moderate to thick intensity to the southeast and south, approximately 1,500 meters above the peak. The source of the hot clouds avalanche came from a pile on the tip of the lava tongue that was located about 800 meters from the Jogrings local crater. As of 7:42 a.m. local time, the hot clouds ejection was still ongoing. Meanwhile, PVMBG has appealed to the public not to carry out activities and stay away from the southeast sector, especially along Besuk Kobokan, which is located 13 kilometers from the summit. People are also advised not to carry out activities within 500 meters of the river banks along Kobokan because of the risk of being hit by volcanic mud flow or lava flows and hot clouds expansion. The public is also prohibited from doing activities within a radius from 5 kilometers from a peak of Mount Semeru because is prone to volcanic incandescence. In addition, PVMBG still maintains an alert status of level 3 for Mount Semeru. This is Sunshine News for today. Thank you for watching. I am Putri Ardhiani Fauzi Ashari. Have a great day.